Hello and welcome to HW News. 2020 has been the year of disasters. We had a global health pandemic, coronavirus pandemic, that sent our country into a 2 months of complete lockdown, a complete shutdown. Then we had Cyclone Amphan that led to a lot of destruction in West Bengal and Odisha. Then we also had a locust attack destroying our crops, and now we have Cyclone Nisarga, which is expected to hit Mumbai today. The IMD has said it will reach Alibag. It will make a landfall in Alibag at the speed of 120 km per hour, and that is what is being predicted by the IMD. But meanwhile, the rains have been started consistently, and as you can see right behind me, I am showing you the visuals right outside my balcony, and this has been going on for almost 24 hours now. It is continuously raining in various parts of Mumbai. Several parts of Mumbai have witnessed these rains, consistent rains since last afternoon, and as of now the rains are not that heavy, though several parts of Maharashtra, coastal Maharashtra, have witnessed heavy rains, but in Mumbai you can see as of now the rains are very light, but the wind speed is continuously increasing with every passing hour. You can see right outside the balcony drizzling of rains that is going on, and this has been situation in many parts of Mumbai. The dark clouds have covered the entire city, and the cyclone is expected to hit the city in the afternoon after some time from now on. Cyclone Nisarga is the first biggest storm hitting Mumbai in more than a century. 19 flights will be diverted from Mumbai due to Cyclone Nisarga. Of these, 11 are going from Mumbai and 8 are landing in Mumbai. The timings of the 5 trains running from Mumbai have also been rescheduled. The timings have been changed. Meanwhile, Section 144 has been imposed in the city of Mumbai. The administration has asked people to not venture out of their houses. The lockdown relaxations given as a part of Mission Begin Again have also been withdrawn in the light of the cyclone. The intensity of Cyclone Nisarga has reduced by 65 km in the last 1 hour, but wind speed has increased from 85 to 95 km per hour to 90 to 100 km per hour. More than 21,000 people have been evacuated from villages in Palghar district of Maharashtra to safer places. All industries and markets in the district have also been closed. Fishermen have been asked not to go to the sea by June 4. The Western Naval Command has alerted all its teams in view of the storm. The Navy has kept 5 flood teams and 3 diverse teams ready in Mumbai. NDRF teams have reached Mumbai from Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh in view of the Cyclone Nisarga. 20 teams of NDRF have been deployed in Maharashtra. Of these, 8 teams are in Mumbai, 5 teams are in Raigad, 2 teams are in Palghar, 2 in Thane, 2 in Ratnagiri, and 1 in Sindhudurg. These are the teams that will carry out the relief and rescue work. The Navy has also deployed 5 flood rescue teams and 3 diverse teams in Mumbai. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said that there are nuclear and chemical plants in Raigad and Palghar on the route of the storm. There is also a danger of power shutdown. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also spoke to Uddhav Thackeray in this regard. Palghar has the oldest Tarapur atomic power plant in the country. There are some other power units as well. There is BARC, which is Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. Raigad also has power, petroleum, chemicals and some other important industry plants including Jawaharlal Nehru Port and Navy are important strategic destinations in Mumbai. Meanwhile, rains have lashed Mumbai and Goa due to the impact of the storm. Mumbai is likely to receive more than 27 mm of rains on Wednesday. Waves up to 2 meters high can rise in the sea. Electricity, water supply is being stopped in storm-prone districts. Apart from Valsad, Navsari, Surat in South Gujarat, heavy rain alert has also been issued in Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Some districts and cities of Madhya Pradesh as Bhopal, Ujjain, Indore, Gwalior division are prone to heavy or very heavy rains. Meanwhile, the BMC and the state government has issued a set of do's and don'ts for the citizens. Now here are the things you should do during Cyclone Nisarga. Loose things outside the house should be tied or moved indoors. Seal important documents and jewelry in a plastic bag. Regularly inspect battery operated as well as reserve power systems. Pay attention to the official instructions on television and radio. Practice the actions to be taken in case of emergencies. If you don't live in a mud house or hut, choose a part of the house as an emergency shelter and practice how all members of the house will use the space during the cyclone. Keep an emergency kit ready. Stay away from windows, close some windows and keep some open so that the pressure is maintained. Stay at the center of the room. Stay away from corners as debris often accumulates in corners. Hide under strong furniture such as stool or heavy table or desk and hold it tight. Use your hands to protect your head and neck. Avoid large roof spaces such as auditoriums and shopping malls. If you find an open space and there is enough time, find the right shelter in the nearest pit or pasture. Relocate to a predetermined or administration determined location. Now, things you must avoid during a cyclone. Don't spread or believe in rumors. Do not attempt to drive or ride any vehicle during the cyclone. Stay away from damaged buildings. Do not move injured people unless it is absolutely safe to do so. It may cause more harm. Do not allow oil and other flammable substances to spill. Clean them immediately.
भारत मौसम विभाग के जानकारी के अनुसार निसर्ग चक्रवात सीवियर साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म अब अलीबाग से 140 किलोमीटर दूरी पर है और मुंबई से वो तकरीबन 190 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है और आज दोपहर को वो सीवियर साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म के इंटेंसिटी पर वो अलीबाग के दक्षिण भाग से गुजरने की संभावना मौसम विभाग ने जताई है। उस वक्त उसकी हवा की रफ्तार जो है तकरीबन 100 से 110 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटा हो सकती है। साथ ही मौसम विभाग ने यह भी कहा है कि ठाणे, मुंबई, रायगढ़ और पालघर इस चक्रवात के प्रभाव में रहेंगे। मुंबई में भी तकरीबन 100 से 110 किलोमीटर की हवा चलने की संभावना है और चक्रवात जमीन के ऊपर तकरीबन दोपहर को 1 से 3 या 4 बजे के दरमियान आने की संभावना मौसम विभाग ने जताई है। कृपया तटवर्ती प्रदेश के सभी नागरिक इसके लिए सतर्क रहे।
As of now, we can say that there are light rains, but the rains will grow once the cyclone moves towards the coast of Mumbai, and several parts of Mumbai, including Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, have been been on high alert, on red alert till June 4th. BMC has also issued a set of do's and don'ts for citizens during the cyclone. That it is expected that power and communication lines will also be impacted due to this, and at a time when the city is grappling with coronavirus pandemic, because Mumbai is one of the worst affected cities due to coronavirus, and the coronavirus cases in Mumbai are continuously rising. At this time, cyclone is a new challenge for the city, and that is why several patients who were stationed into the BKC quarantine center have also been shifted to NSCI Dome in Worli, in Nesco Exhibition Center in Goregaon, and so on and so forth. Coast Guard have been alerted, and they have also asked the fishermen to not venture out in the sea. Meanwhile, several guidelines have also been issued by the BMC, by the state government as well. Both Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and Home Minister Amit Shah have spoken to each other through video conferencing yesterday. Uddhav Thackeray also spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and both of them took stock of the situation and the preparedness to fight the cyclone. Now, on the other hand, the NDRF teams are also on standby. Almost 20 NDRF teams have been moved to Mumbai, and these are all on standby. Now, what happens in the day as the day progresses? The winds will be stronger, the rains will also be heavy, and we will update you what happens as the day progresses, what happens in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, as the cyclone Nisarga is expected to hit the Mumbai coast.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है, हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.